Roof's in a little bit of rough shape. I think we're in a chata. We're in an outlook on Sao Miguel Island, heading back to Ponta Delgada after a long day out. Breezy. Isn't that gay?
Yes.
It's breezy
That's
here.
pretty!
This is rotating yourself. This is Furnas, San Miguel Island. This is where they cook big pots of food in holes in the ground and use the volcanic activity or geothermal activity to cook the food. They wanted us to pay €3 to get in there, so we didn't need to see that. I'd seen it on YouTube. We're at Furnas, walking the big wide path to this looks like pretty old church. Furnas. There's a lake behind me and this ancient church. Okay, this looks very like the paper bark trees in Hawaii. Not sure if it is. It's got all the shards or strands of old bark hanging off it. Need somebody to confirm that for me. So where are we, hon?
From the drying room of the Gorreana tea factory. Sao Miguel. Oh, there's an oldie but goodie.
Oh, it's a Marshall. Or a Mars Hall. No, Marshall.
The pressure in pounds dial. That's cool.
Oh, it's just cool looking. This thing.
Oh, yeah. That is a deflector tea fanner. Sole agents for the British India.
What's that?
David Robbins.
That tea?
I think so. Huh.
Oh, bags of.
This has all kinds of stems and stuff in it, so that must be the.
You sure that's not the tea?
I sipped it out.
Okay, I've always wanted to see a tea sorter, and here we have one. The inside of a tea sorter on San Miguel Island.
Será folha extrai-se localmente. Chá de sabor mais leve ou bem quente.
Gift shop at the tea factory. Nikki buying all kinds of tea.
I'm trying to find tea with no flavors in it.
Nikki buying stuff. Okay, Nikki wanted to see tea fields, and we've just exited the tea factory. These are fields of tea. The only tea plantations in Europe are on this island. There we go, the sun just went down a little bit. So we're at a tea plantation on Sao Miguel Island, and this is some tea. Growing. Nikki's very happy. Right, honey?
Yep, nectar of the gods.
Tea blowing in the wind. It is windy in the Azores. Nikki wants to actually touch the tea while it's growing.
Sono all'orrendo, non può essere.
Did you try some?
I did not. I smelled it, but it didn't smell like tea.
Well, it hasn't been dried and everything yet, hon.
Smell it?
This should have been my establishing shot. This is the tea factory. We just toured that.
If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe. It helps to support our channel. See you traveling soon!